Pursuing justice after a tragedy. Wrongful death claims from fatal car accidents. Virginia law offers a path to accountability through a wrongful death claim when the collision results from another person's wrongful act or neglect. While no amount of money can make up for the loss, the attorneys at Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC note that a civil claim can provide financial relief to the survivors and hold the negligent driver responsible. A wrongful death action arises when a person's death is caused by someone else's negligence and would have been a personal injury claim had they lived. Driver negligence covers behaviors such as driving under the influence, speeding, reckless or distracted driving, or ignoring traffic signals. The lawsuit is civil. Families can pursue it regardless of criminal proceedings, and a conviction in criminal court may support the civil case. Before a suit can be filed, a court must appoint a personal representative for the deceased's estate. This individual has the sole authority to bring the claim for the family. The appointment begins with a petition to the circuit court, and once a certificate or letter of qualification is issued, the representative can hire a lawyer and file the suit. Because the process can take time and the statute of limitations is generally 2 years from the date of death, families should act promptly. The claim is brought on behalf of statutory beneficiaries, defined in Virginia Code Section 8.01 to 53. The law prioritizes the surviving spouse, children and grandchildren. If there are no immediate descendants, parents and siblings may recover. More distant relatives may qualify only if closer kin are absent. Determining who is entitled and how to share any recovery can be complex, so the law firm guides families through these issues and helps ensure fairness. Virginia's pure contributory negligence rule makes these cases especially difficult. If the deceased is found to have contributed to the accident in any way, even slightly, the family may recover nothing. Insurance companies use this rule to argue that minor infractions by the victim bar recovery, which is why it is important to work with a lawyer who can counter such claims and prove the defendant's negligence. Damages are intended to compensate for both economic and non-economic losses. Recoverable economic damages include medical bills, funeral and burial expenses, lost income and financial support, and the value of the services and care the deceased provided. Non-economic damages address the emotional losses of the family, such as sorrow, mental anguish and the loss of companionship, comfort and guidance. In cases involving willful or wanton conduct or conscious disregard for safety, punitive damages may be awarded as a deterrent. After a fatal crash, certain steps preserve the potential claim. Virginia Code Section 46.2 to 371 requires that any crash resulting in injury or death be reported to the police, and the resulting report will be essential evidence. Survivors should not make recorded statements to insurers until they have consulted an attorney. Even those who appear uninjured should seek medical evaluation, and if it is safe, photographs and witness information should be gathered. The most important step is to speak with an experienced lawyer who can manage communications, guide the probate process and begin the investigation. Families in Northern Virginia can reach Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC at 571-532-9070 or visit the office at 8001 Braddock Road No. 102, Springfield, Virginia, 22151, United States. A wrongful death claim cannot ease the pain of losing a loved one, but it can deliver justice and financial stability.